So all the student of class 3, now I will explain the math project that what you have to be do. So as you all know, listen me carefully. What is your project? Your project is you have to be draw things. You have to be draw things which are weight more than 1 kg and the things which are weights less than 3 kg. Sorry, 1 kg. Means you can see on the there are three things. There are three things that you have to be better. You can do one thing, student. Take out your copy. Take out your copy and write down over there. I'm telling you, class 3. Class 3. Okay. Math project. Guess. The GUESS. Guess and draw. Number A. Number A. Three things weight more than 1 kg. Okay, 1 kilogram. Number B. Three things weights than 1 kg. Okay. Shubhasri, mute your audio. This is your project that I have uploaded on the portal. You can check it. Okay. Now tell me, this board work part is done or not? Who has done? Tell me done. Shubhasri done, Shauri done, Shohana done, Tawfiq also, ma'am, I, what I, Tawfiq? Okay, so I'm wrap this one, okay? Then after that I will tell you. So as in class 2, you have done the project now. In class 2 also you have done the project. And you know that for making the project, you need A4 size white page, isn't it? And okay, Shwagata, just wait. Let me finish about your project. What you have to be do discussion. Then after that, if you have having any doubt, ask me that time. Okay. Okay, so as you all know that you have to be make front page, isn't it, student? Front page. So that's mean the page where you have to be write down the name of your school, etc. So A4 size page you have to be take. A4 size white page. Then after that you have to be give margin over there, isn't it? You have to be give the border. In class 2 also you have done. Then after that what? Then after that your school name. Your school name. What is your school name? Bardwar Model School. Here you will write down your school name. Then after that name means your own name, okay? Then class, CLLASS, class. Now you are in class 3, so you will write down 3. Now which section? If you are far, then you will write down far. If you are in oak, then you will write down oak. And if you are in pine, then you will write down pine. So oak, pine, far, which one is your? You will write down here, okay? Then after that, subject, SUBJECT. Which subject this is? This is mathematics. So MATHE, MATICS, mathematics, okay? Now on which topic? What is the topic of your project? It is weight, WEIGHT, weight. On which topic you are making your project? It is weight, isn't it? Then after this session, which session? This is SESSION, session 2021. This is your class 3 session, okay? This is your front page. So is this clear for everyone? Say me yes or no. Topic is weight, WEIGHT. Okay. Now it's time for the next page, next A4 size page, okay? So on the next page, as what? If it is a white page, first of all you will give margin or border with the pen, okay? With the pen you will, with the black pen you will give the margin. Then after that number A, what I have told? I have told to draw, you have to guess 3 things that weight more than 1 kg. So the number you will give here, the heading A you can give that things, 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 weight, WIGHTS, weights more than 1 kg, okay? Things weight more than 1 kg. Now number A, which things? Now a pumpkin, if you think, if you want, then you have to be draw the picture of pumpkin, understand? And here you have to be write down PUMPKIN, okay? Number A, 3 things. Now number B, anything. If you are saying table, TABLE, that means you have to be draw the picture of a table, okay? Number C, if you are saying number C is like anything that you want, anything, whatever, if I am saying XXX, so this thing's picture also you have to be draw, okay? Now this is for the more than, and now it's the time for the less than. So you have to take the another page. This is another page. Here also you have to be put the margin. Then after that the heading will be what? THINGS. Things, weights, less than 1 kg. Now see, number A, what you want to say? Your pencil or pen, it's always less than 1 kg. So you have to write down here pencil. Number B, if you are saying eraser, then you have to draw the picture of eraser. Number C, another picture that is weight less than 1 kg. Who are talking? And whose audio is not mute? So with this your project work is done. Now if you want, you can draw each picture in each page, means one picture for one page in this way. Can we color it, ma'am? Yes, Swagatam, you can color it, but remember few things, that nobody will use red color and red color, okay? Nobody will use the red color and red pen. Not, you will write nothing with the red pen, means red ink or green ink, okay? As because we are teachers are signing with that so you will not use those ink. And the front page, as you all know that your handwriting should be good. In that case, if you think that you can't write in a good way, you can take your help, you can ask your parents to help you, okay? And don't make the pages dirty. Your pages and handwriting should be neat and clean. So now tell me that can I make all of you clear about the project? Okay, Shodi has said, Nehanjana also yes, Swagatam also yes. Anybody having any doubt? Say me. Shohana, any problem, Shohana? Shohana has said no. Who has cut the call? Is it not clear to everybody why you are turned on? Nobody has any problem now? Okay, you have to be use A4 size page and you have to be submitted in A4 channel file, okay? And now the submission date, you just start to make your project. Submission date will declare later, okay? 25 days you will get, means within January you have to be submitted, okay? Maybe last of the January, maybe after 20 January or 25th January I will tell to all of you to submit the project, okay? And I think the project is very easy. You can do it within 2 or 3 days, isn't it? Use beautiful colors, make it beautiful, okay? Okay, so today we will not do anything about math book. Only just I am just discussed here the math project. And now wishing all of you a very happy new year. I hope that you are good at your home and enjoying a lot. Where to submit? Tawfiq, what I have told, submission part is not decided till now. So submission part will be declared later. Maybe after you just start after 20 days. After 20 days I will tell that where you have to be submit, when you have to be submit, okay? Don't worry. Okay? Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye everybody. Can't access, seriously, মাঝখানে এসে বন্ধ করে দিল।